Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to install Python software in your Windows operating system. To download and how to get this software and how to install step-by-step procedure, I'll show you very quickly. Let's initiate your web browser. It may be Google Chrome or it may be Microsoft Edge or Mozilla or any other web browser. How you are going to be accessing internet, you just open Google and hit python.org. This is an official website to get the Python software to your computer system. And to learning Python programming language version is a very important decision to the beginners who are starting Python and who are entering into the IT industry. This is a great decision. So see here, I would like to explain you the latest version of Python. You need to concentrate more as a first, and earlier versions like legacy, like Python 2.0 is there, 2.5, some the different earlier versions are also available in Python. So the latest version will covers all the latest features which are available in Python. And in our course especially, we are also covering like previous versions, what they are having in earlier terms and now how it is modified. These are the concepts also we are going to explaining in this particular course. So be focused on very much in latest version of Python which are available till this program. It is a Python 3.10.2. So we can install this software by clicking here the download for Windows. So let's click here Python 3.10.2, the version. So now let's see which is installed successfully. Here in the left side it is showing, just put right click and open, or else double click on this running file. You will be seen like initiating of installation. So let's see, it's a very important, the 64-bit operating system in my Windows operating system. So accordingly this 64-bit is going to be installing. In your operating system it may be in 32-bit. Accordingly you can download the software from the web and 32-bit and install it. Now let's see here, install launcher for all users which are recommended, and add path to 3.10 to path. This is very important to understand and follow the step. So once you given, like on every time you are restarting the mission, Python compiler and Python services are also automatically enabled by using this Python path, or you are running by using any other code editor to attach to run the Python programs. This path will help you. Okay, so now if you tick the two check boxes, there is an option install now. By clicking, it will ask you the user access control. By press S, it will set up progress will initiate. It's all depends upon the system performance. So it's how you are going to be installing a Python software in your computer. It should be having a minimum 4 GB of RAM and 100 to write the programs and execution and all, at least 100 GB of capacity of storage, and at least a core processor is required to run the Python, a basic core. Not require any highly recommended. If still you want to know more specifications, you find like python.org website to the system minimum requirements. It would be very low, not big. If you want to make more explores and writing any extensive applications, then you need recommended is 8 GB and 100 GB of space, storage space is required. Now my setup is successfully completed. Close the this button, and you may see like a very ideal Python you will get here by pressing start button. Just type IDLE. Yeah, IDLE Python 3.0 means the prompt you will get here by installing the Python software. This ideal Python app you will get by clicking that ideal Python. You may test here. See, you will get in a prompt. Yeah, this window is here. So we can also say tell that shell prompt of ideal, like the Python prompt, like 3 greater than symbols, and it's going to be blinking the cursor over here. You may observe here this one. If you write a simple print of open and end parenthesis here hello, by hitting enter you will see hello. The immediate next line means your Python software installation is successfully installed in your computer. Whereas we are writing like a somewhat advanced program using any one code editor, we recommend you to write code on PyCharm editor. In the next lecture, we'll see how to install PyCharm, very simple and easily step-by-step process, how we have seen this. Let's begin the session. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.